The Pizza Hut triple-decker pizza emerged as a captivating multi-layered dish, boasting a crispy crust and lavish toppings, which left a significant impression on customers during its brief run on the menu. Taco Bell's inner row represented an exciting fusion of flavors, merging ground beef and beans. Despite facing multiple removals, it eventually made a comeback driven by robust customer demand. Meanwhile, Taco Bell's seafood salad aimed at diversifying the menu but ultimately fell short due to disappointing sales and a negative reputation among consumers. On the other hand, the Super Bar showcased various stations, featuring a garden spot with fresh salads and a Mexican fiesta area that included tacos and beans, making it highly appealing for families seeking customization. However, the Super Bar's high costs related to continual restocking and managing perishable items ultimately led to its discontinuation. This underscores the complexities of sustaining diverse offerings in the fast food sector. In a different approach, McDonald's attempted to cater to non-meat eaters with the Hola burger during the 1960s. This reflects the varied strategies fast food chains employed to introduce unique menu items over the years. Jack in the Box's Monster Taco emerged as a larger, more satisfying option that gained traction in the 1970s. Its revival in 2021 included exciting new flavors, such as Bacon Ranch. Similarly, McDonald's McSpaghetti sought to bring Italian cuisine into the fast food realm in the late 1970s. However, it struggled globally due to logistical issues, finding its niche primarily in the Philippines. Hardee's Frisco Burger arrived in the early 2000s, featuring grilled sourdough paired with a thick beef patty. Despite its initial popularity, it faced discontinuation driven by declining sales. At KFC, beans provided a rich, smoky, and slightly sweet flavor that significantly enhanced the dining experience, cherished by customers for many years. In the 1990s, Pizza Hut introduced Papas, mini potato bites brimming with cheese and jalapenos. Their spicy flavor initially garnered popularity, though they were eventually discontinued due to poor sales. The McDonald's McDLT stood out for its innovative two-part packaging, which kept hot and cold ingredients separate. Launched in 1984, it remained memorable until its removal in 1991, largely due to environmental concerns. The Sicilian lasagna pizza blended ground beef and marinara sauce atop a Sicilian crust, yet it was ultimately withdrawn from the menu due to mixed reviews and lackluster sales, leaving some nostalgic. Arby's loaded potato bites won fans over with their cheesy, bacon-filled flavor, but faced discontinuation because of low sales. Enthusiasts have since crafted copycat recipes to preserve the taste. KFC's Little Bucket Parfaits became a beloved dessert, featuring layers of graham cracker crust and chocolate pudding, but they too met their end, leading fans to recreate the treat at home through copycat recipes. The sandwich included ingredients like mayonnaise, lettuce, and tomato, elevating its flavor and freshness, making it a favored choice among meat lovers. Pizza Hut's taco pizza debuted in the late 70s, merging Mexican flavors with traditional pizza, and gained a nostalgic following despite its eventual removal from the menu. Lastly, Jack in the Box's Frings combined fries and onion rings into a single offering, appealing to customers in search of variety, but like many other items, it was eventually discontinued due to preparation challenges.